Hello everybody, this is Dr. Mullen and I'm going to show you how to make a video announcement in Canvas at the request of Dr. Arnold and Dr. Dennis. One of the great things about teaching online is you can do some different things that mix things up for your students. You do definitely want to have a course map and a plan that they know what's coming, they know what to expect, but you also want to throw in some different things. And one of the easy ways to do that without throwing off the course map is to do a video announcement or even an audio announcement. This keeps the students from having to just read announcements over and over, and also has the added benefit of allowing them to see you in a more casual way than a lecture or a Zoom meeting. So and why is that important, you might say? Well, remember, these are students who chose to come and be in-seat students. They're residents or residential students or commuter students, and they could have chosen an online-only education, but they chose to be residential students. So they enjoy that in-person contact. And this is just one more way to give a little bit of that. It's not exactly the same thing, but it gives a little bit of that. So without further ado, let me show you how to make a video announcement. So I'm going to go down, I'm going to select, I'll select online, BIB 113, Old Testament. That's going to be my class for later this semester. Oh, I'm sorry. You're going to select announcements up there with the megaphone, the top right, left-hand corner, announcements. No announcements to display. Going to hit the plus to change that. It's going to bring this up. I'm going to bring up my keyboard and type welcome. Welcome. And I'd probably title that welcome to the class. Welcome to let's do this. Welcome video from I'm not the greatest typist, just so you know, and less so on the typing pad. By the way, I'm doing this with my iPad. You can do this with a different kind of tablet. You can do this on your phone. Phones are really great for this. The cameras are so good, and the microphones are so good, and it also allows you to maybe do it in a little less formal place, which is a positive. Now, what you say? Well, where's the video feature? Where do you see that? Well, you go to the attachment feature next to done. Click that. That's the paperclip. Then you're going to hit the plus. Then you have the option to record audio, to use camera, to upload file, or to choose from library. And you're going to select use camera. Now this is this is a photo feature, so you want to go to video. Then you want to flip it around using the flip. And there I am. Now I'm going to set this up on my stand. I have a stand set up in my office for this that I kind of built out of a bunch of books that I don't consult that much. Don't tell people. And so then I'm going to start the video when I'm ready. And just hit that red button there. Well, greetings class. Welcome to Old Testament Survey. I'm so glad to have you in the class. We will, in fact, yes. Students ask, will we cover the whole Old Testament in this class? Yes, we will. We'll cover the whole Old Testament. Now, I don't make you read the whole Old Testament, but we do read a good chunk of it, and we hit some of the pivotal chapters in the Old Testament. It's going to be a lot of fun. I don't overload you with work, but I do expect you to do a good job on the work I do give you. And remember, the point of all this is learning. All right, so not the greatest announcement, but it probably do. And then I get to select the screen that I want them to see, the still shot from here. I'm sliding up at the top. You can see that, sliding up at the top. There. How about that one? That one looks great. Great. So now I'm going to go use the video. It's done. It's already got it up. Hit done again. And there we go. And then I'm going to hit next to see that little black dot on the attachment feature there. That means I've got an attachment. I'm going to hit done. It's going to save it in Canvas. And there it is. Welcome. Welcome video from Dr. Mullen. And everyone's going to get that as soon as I save it. Click Zoom, or click the link there, and then students can. Well, greetings class. Welcome to Old Testament Survey. I'm so glad to have you in the class. And that is how you record a video announcement in Canvas.